plus Americans need credit relief from bad credit. So the timing for starting a credit repair business couldn't be any better. A credit repair business has unlimited profit potential and a low startup cost. We specialize in a customized credit repair business to either dovetail with your existing business or start a brand new. Immediate cash flow. It's a business that you can launch for under $500. Be your own boss. Set your own hours and work from home with just a computer or iPad, a phone, a nice professional outfit, and some training. Please click the link in the description to speak to your personal credit repair business trainer today.